Welcome back guys. In today's video we are going to discuss our August lunchtime problem. So the first problem is Olympics ranking. So let's come on to the problem statement. The problem statement is in Olympics the countries are ranked by the total number of medals won. You are given 6 integers G1, S1, B1 and G2, S2, B2. The number of gold, silver and bronze medal won by two different countries respectively. Determine which country is ranked better on the leaderboard. It is guaranteed that there will not be a tie between the two countries. So basically the problem statement is in Olympics two countries are participating and the total number of medals are 6 medals, means G1, S1, B1 and G2, S2 and B2, where G1 and G2 represent the number of gold, S1 and S2 represent the number of silver and B1 and B2 represent the number of bronze medal won by two different countries. So we have to find after calculating G1, S1 and B1, G2, S2 and B2, which country has won more medal, we have to rank it on the leaderboard. So I hope you understand the problem. Let's come into the input format. So in the first line we have to input the number of test cases, and in the second line we have to initialize 6 variables G1, S1, B1 and G2, S2, B2. And after discussing the example we come into the output format. So let's move on to the other part, that is constraint. For the test cases we have to enter between 1 to 1000 both including, and for the medals 0 to 30 including all the 6 medals. So the example is here 3 is the number of test cases and G1 is 10, S1 is 20 and B2 is 30, G2 is 0, S2 is 29 and B2 is 30. So after summing 10, 20 and 30 we got 60, and after summing 30 and 20, 29 we got 59. So since 60 is greater than 59 we have to place 1, since after calculating after doing the summation of first country and second country, first country has won more medal, so we have to place it 1. Similarly in second 0, 0, 0 and 0, 0, 1, since sum of 0, 0 and 1 is 1 and 0, 0, 0 is 0, so we have placed it 2 and so on. I hope you understand the problem. So let's move on to the code. And I am using NetBeans, so let me import our file first. Import java.util.strict. Main function is there. So at first we have to take a scanner class. A scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in. So at first we have to initialize t, that is number of test case. So here it is. So we put the condition as while t is greater than 0. We move on to the while loop, and we have to initialize 6 variable, that is int g1 is equal to sc dot next int s1 is equal to sc dot next int b1 is equal to sc dot next int. For the second country we have initialized in g2 is equal to sc dot next int. Similarly int s2 is equal to sc dot next int b2 is equal to sc dot next int. So after that we have initialized a variable as int sum1 is equal to G1 plus S1 plus B1, and int sum2 is equal to G2 plus S2 plus B2. So after doing the sum of G1, S1 and B1, we store it in sum1, and for G2, B2 and S2 we store it in sum2. So we have put if condition as follows: as if sum1 is greater than sum2, move into the inner if loop, and we have to print as system dot out dot println 1, and similarly else if sum2 is greater than sum1, we have to print as system dot out dot println 2, and after that we have to decrement the test cases. So let me run the problem first. Here you see program is compiled successfully. So copy the sample input test and paste it in the output section. So here we paste, and you can see the output is same as the code shape output, that is 1 2 and 1. So let me copy it first and submit it. Control A, Control C. Let me delete it first. Control B. Since in code shape it does not accept public class, so remove it, and the package we have to also remove it. So let me run the problem first. It is running. So it is running successfully and it compiled. So copy this input here and paste it in the custom input section. Run it again. So here we see output is 1 to 1, which is same as 1 2 and 1 here. So let me submit it first. Let's hope it will give us as a correct answer. So again it is running its own test case. Yeah, you can see its correct answer. So guys, if you like our video, then hit the like button. If you do not subscribe yet, please subscribe.